This is almost past middle of the July, and polytunnel looking like this. When I think about it, how it looked like in May even, when I finished the polytunnel, and I had to heat, polytunnel heaters, paraffin heaters here to warm the plants. I'm surprised how nice it is now. Although we have over the past few days, we have some single-digit morning temperatures, but now it's all right when you close the thing. Look at the lushness, abundance of the fruits, and even melons at the end. We're enjoying it. This is magic. This is amazing. I'm just saying, it's not magic even. It's amazing. It's more than anything. I'm going to put some of the pictures how it started and how it evolved over time, so you can compare actually. This is in the early May, probably around 5th of the May. Polytunnel was just ready. We planted our first plants, including tomatoes and some basil. And we have to use the paraffin heaters. In the night it was falling. If we were lucky, it was 8 degrees. The lucky day was 8 degrees in the morning. But gradually over the May and early June it started to evolve. You can see the potatoes are coming onto two sides on the extreme left and right. Then by the June we are going to have a full bloom. Now it is in full bloom, and you can see that we had our first meal with the beans from the polytunnel in the mid of the June, and now it has evolved to this beautiful lush environment for growing food.